Hello friends, welcome to learning Autodesk Revit architecture and I am using the latest version 2023 and I will be teaching you this software in a very practical manner. So we will cover both command as well as going through the practical project. So once you will be open the Autodesk Revit software, the screen will be displayed startup screen. So this is our startup screen. In the startup screen, you will be see two main things. One is related to model. So you can open or create a new model. And another thing is related to families. So you can create or open existing families or new families. Model is nothing but your start to end workflow. So let's say if I want to do any architecture project or any structural project or any MEP project, so whatever the task which I need to perform from starting to ending, from creating the level to up to modeling stage, drawing stage, scheduling stage and everything, all the operations I will be perform into the model into the models. But what is about families? Family is nothing but a custom component with flexible parametric way. So let's say if I want to create a one table, let's say for example, if I want to create such kind of one table with variable length, variable width, variable thickness, variable leg diameter, leg height and everything. So those things we can create into the families and we can load those families into the project and we can use as per our project requirement. So I assume that you are totally beginner to the Revit, or if you have some sort of backgrounds in the Revit, then this training will be also helpful to you to enhance your skill, to upgrade your skill. So without wasting much of time, let me start our training. So first let me open our new template or new project. So I want to create a new project in Imperial system. Imperial system is nothing but foot and inches. So I will be use the Imperial template, but yes, the procedure, concepts, as well as the workflow will be remain the same for the both template, whether it is Imperial or whether it is metric. So let me go to the models, new, and here I am clicking on Imperial architectural template and I want to create a new project. So I will be use as a new project and click on OK. So Revit will be open a new Imperial template for me, and in this template we can now start to work into this template, like we can create the levels, grids and all the things. Before we do anything into this project file, let me first save the file so that we can save our work at a frequent regular interval. So just click on the save icon or use the Ctrl S keyboard shortcut, and let us we will use create a one folder, and you can create a one folder at any location at your desktop or any drive, and you can give the proper name, let's say residential project. And before you click on save, it is very most important, go to the option and change the number of backup to the 1. By default it will be have a 3 backups, so instead of 3 let me save it to the 1 and click on OK and click on save. So now our project is going to be saved into this location. Okay, now what is our first step? Whether you are familiar with the software or not, our first step is to learn the graphical user interface of the software. So at which location, which function is there, and what are the purpose, what is the purpose behind that function. So those things we need to take care about thing. So that is graphical user interface. So let me type graphical user interface of Revit. Okay, in that, first thing we need to use, that is file menu or application menu. Okay,